Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix ChatGPT not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. So first of all, try to restart your Chromebook. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issue with your Chromebook. To restart your Chromebook, simply click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, then click on power button and click on restart. After that, try to check your internet connection. For that, again click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, turn on the Wi-Fi option and connect to a network. If you are facing issue with your Wi-Fi, then we already have a video on how you can fix Wi-Fi issue on Chromebook. So I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. After that, try to open ChatGPT application. For that, click on app launcher icon, look for ChatGPT application and open it. And it should work. However, if you're still facing the issue, then you can simply clear the cookies file. For that, click on three-dot icon, then click on app info. Now click on cookies and site data, then click on manage on-device site data and delete all this on-device site data by clicking on this delete button. After that, click on done. Now reload the application. Once done, you can log into your ChatGPT account. For that, click on profile icon, then click on logout. After that, simply log into your ChatGPT account. If you are still not able to use ChatGPT on your Chromebook, then you can simply reinstall the ChatGPT application. For that, first of all, we have to uninstall the application. To uninstall it, close the ChatGPT application, then open settings. Now here click on apps option, then click on manage your apps option and here look for ChatGPT application. Select it, then click on uninstall. And here select also delete browsing data option, then click on uninstall. After that, simply open Chrome browser, visit chatgpt.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Then log into your account. Now click on three-dot icon, click on save and share. Here click on create shortcut. Name your shortcut as ChatGPT, then click on open as window option and click on create. This will install ChatGPT application on your Chromebook. If you want, you can also pin this icon to the Chromebook shelf. So that's it. These are the troubleshooting method you can try out to fix ChatGPT not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.